Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to freeze raw in Google Spreadsheet. So get it started. At first open your Google Sheet document. In this video I will show freeze raw. Now select from a raw. Now going to the view menu option. Then click for a freeze option. Now click for up to raw file. Now for click. That is. Now scroll your mouse. Then you show freeze raw. Then again another raw freeze. Now select from a raw. Now for select. Then going to the view menu option. Then click for a freeze. Now click for up to raw 9. That is. Now scroll your mouse. That is. Then we show freeze raw in Google Sheets document is very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.